Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and in today's video I'm going to show you an historic house that we decorated for the holidays, so stay tuned. So every year in Murfreesboro there is a holiday tour. It's called the Candlelight Tour of Homes, and there's a few select homes that are on this tour. It is so much fun. You get to see how everybody else decorates their homes for the holidays. This year, I was asked to help decorate a home that's going to be on the tour. It is a historic Victorian house that is stunning. Now, we were asked to mostly focus on the main tree in the foyer, two mantles, and a small centerpiece in the dining room, and then a tree on the porch, and then a little bit of fluff for the mailbox. Now, when I was trying to decide how to design the tree in the foyer, the woodwork in there from the stairwell to the floors is so stunning that I thought blue velvet would just look phenomenal with it. Now, I have never decorated with blue before, but I have to tell you, I loved the way it turned out. So take a look and see what you think.
I wanted to give you a little preview of what all we have packed. Yeah, we're going to be glitified by the end of the day. Right, I'm waiting on Alice. She is my daughter-in-law, and she is 6 months pregnant. So we're going to have a lot of fun today. But we cannot get the day started without Starbucks. So I'm waiting on her to arrive with my coffee.
That's
be
pretty
able to
cool.
do this without Trish. Jennifer, it's so beautiful. This came out amazing.
Oh, good.
The blue ribbon looks so good.
It does, and on your wood tone, I thought the blue looked fabulous. Look at that.
Well, I want to say thank you so much to my clients who let me share this video with you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out. I hope you have a wonderful holiday.